Hi, welcome back. This time we're going to look at how to turn an assignment in on an iPhone. So I already have the Classroom app downloaded from the Apple Store. I'm going to click the Classroom and open it. It takes me right to all of my classes. Right now I only have one class called Red Dragon Practice. Tap it, click it to open, and you'll see it takes you to the Stream page. At the bottom, that's where the words Stream, Classwork, and People are. To turn in your assignment, we needed to go to the Classwork page, so tap that. Look at your week 1 assignments. I'm going to tap that assignment to open it. And then there are all the directions my teacher has left. I need to read those, follow the directions, and do my best. Now you can see there are 2 places to add comments. At the top, we can add a class comment. That means everyone in my class will see what I type. But at the bottom, I can add a private comment. That goes just to my teacher to see if they can help me with whatever problems I'm having. To see the attachment, though, I need to click Your Work. I'm going to tap that arrow so it expands, and you can see my work is a slides document. That little yellow icon tells me I can click it, open it, do my work, and then come back here to turn it in. That pink turn in button, I can click it there, and it tells me 1 attachment will be submitted. And yes, of course, I want to turn it in, so I clicked turn in again. As it thinks, you can see my assignment was turned in. Sometimes you'll be able to unsubmit it, but not always. So make sure you do all of your work first before you submit it and turn it in. Now to go back to the last page, I'm going to tap that down arrow. It's called a caret. It'll collapse again. I can press the back button to go to my other assignments and check those out. If I go to This is your assignment, it has a different look to it. I still have the 2 places to add comments. But when I click Your Work, it doesn't ask me to turn it in. It asks me to mark as done. There was no attachment this time. If I wanted to add a picture of something I made, I could click Add Attachment and add any of those options or even use my camera to submit a picture. But let's get rid of those and mark as done. Now it tells me I didn't attach any work. Am I sure I want to mark it done? So of course I do. I'm going to click the button, mark as done, and it tells me it was marked as done. Down arrow, back arrow, and even all the way, those 3 lines will give me back to my class's homepage. Thanks for watching.